In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in Outlook address book. By the end, you'll feel confident making quick updates, keeping your address book accurate and up to date without any hassle. First, open Outlook and head to the People view. You'll find the People icon in the navigation pane, typically along the left side or at the bottom of the window. It looks like a pair of silhouettes or maybe labeled People or Contacts. Depending on your version, click that to switch from your mail or calendar into your contacts. Now, find the contact you want to edit. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar to locate them quickly. If you have multiple entries for similar names, glance at the email address or company to make sure you've got the right person before you proceed. With the contact selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar. It might appear as a button labeled Edit or as a pencil icon. Click it to open the contact in edit mode. You are now ready to make changes. Update any details that need attention. Name, email address, phone number, or company information. Keep formatting consistent so everything is easy to read later. For example, use a standard phone format and double-check email spelling to avoid bounced messages. If your organization uses job titles or departments, filling those in can make searching and sorting much easier down the line. Some versions of Outlook group fields into sections, so expand those as needed to see all available information. If you'd like to add or change a contact's photo, click the photo area near the top of the contact card. You'll be prompted to choose an image. Select a clear, lit picture where the face is centered. You can usually crop it to fit. A recognizable photo can help you identify the right person at a glance, especially if your contact list is large. When you are finished, save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the contact window and click it to confirm. If you try to navigate away without saving, Outlook may warn you. Go ahead and save to keep your updates. After saving, you should see the refreshed details on the contact card immediately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.